Hello friends, this is a crochet zip applique. Hello friends, this is a crochet zip applique. For this pattern I am using two color of first weight yarn and one cotton thread, black color cotton thread. For this project I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook, craft needle and craft scissor. Let us start. I am starting from the center part of this applique. You start from the center, so you take the brown color yarn, make one slip knot and make 1 2 3 chain. You go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 half DC, and here I have 2 half DC, and you make 8 more half DC in the same stitch. You make total 10 half DC in the first round. I have completed my 10 half DC, and then you join it with the slip stitch in the beginning chain. I completed my first round. For second round you make 2 chain, count as a first half DC, and make 1 more half DC in the same stitch, and you go to the next stitch and make same 2 half DC, and you repeat the 2 half DC in every stitch in this round. Then you join it with slip stitch, and here my stitches are 20, and then I am making the ear portion of this zip applique. So make 1 2 3 4 chain, count as a first double crochet, wrap yarn over your hook in 2 times and insert your hook in the same stitch and hold 2 loops in your hook and wrap your yarn over your hook in 2 times and go to the next stitch and make 1 treble crochet. Hold the 3 loops in your hook and make it 1, and then make 1 2 3 4 chain and go to the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and then go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. You make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. You make 2 more single crochet in the next 2 stitches. You make total 8 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. And make 4 chain, count as a first treble crochet, and make 1 treble crochet in the same stitch and hold your loops in your hook, 2 loops in your hook, and go to the next stitch and make 1 more treble crochet and 3 loops in your hook and make it 1 and make 4 chains and go to the same stitch, make 1 slip stitch. And go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. You make 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. And cut the extra yarn. Then I am taking white color yarn for next round, and you insert your yarn in the bottom part of the face. Here you make 2 chain, counter chain, first half DC and make 1 more half DC in the same stitch, and then go to the next stitch and make only 1 half DC. Go to the next stitch and make 2 half DC. You repeat it. I have completed the lower part of this face. This is the lower part of the sheep face, and this is the ear. Here you fold the ear and you working the back side. And then you start the front side. Make 2 half DC, the same stitch, and then go to the next stitch, make 1 half DC. You repeat the same stitch in this round. Fold it. And then here you join it with slip stitch. and then start the next round. For next round I am making the next pattern. So here you make one slip stitch and wrap your yarn over your hook, and you skip the 2 stitches and go to the third stitch and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 more, 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you skip the next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch and make 1 slip stitch. Then repeat the same pattern. You skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make 5 double crochet. You repeat the same pattern in this round. For eyes, you take the white color yarn and make 1 slip knot. And make 3 chain, and then go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet, 1 half daisy, and make total 6 more half daisy in the same stitch. And then join it with slip stitch. I have made 2 circle and attached in the eye space. This is the eye portions of the shapes applique. And then you take your black color yarn and make the middle eyes of the shape. And the other side also. and your zip applique is ready. And this is very unique and simple applique, and you can make the legs of the zips. You use the same pattern of this ear of this zip applique. You can use the treble crochet, 4 treble crochet in the bottom portion of this zip applique. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.